Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Pangolin Tech Tips. I'm your host, Josh Rochford, and today we're learning how to move faster through your Neovim document. So let's jump right in. So we all know the basic movement keys H, J, K, and L. But what a lot of people may not use all that often are repetitive numbers. Repetitive numbers are when you write a number in front of a movement key or any action key in Neovim. So for example, if I do 10J, it brings me from line 1 to line 11, basically 10 lines down. Another option that can help use repetitive numbers faster is called relative numbers. So in our current document, we can see that our document starts at 1 and then increases by 1 until we get to our last line, which is 17. However, if I set, let's say I go to line 11 and I write set relative numbers, then what I get is that I still have line 11 here, but now Neovim shows me a distance from my current line to any other line on my document. So let's say I want to go to the third line. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. I see that according to that line, it should be 6 lines away. So I simply do 6k, and just like that, I'm at that line. You can also use GG to move to the top of your document and capital G to move to the bottom of your document for quick movement keys from the top and bottom. And this is especially useful if you have a really long document. As for word movements, use W to move to the next word, just like that, B to move back, E to move to forward using the last character, just like that, and GE to move backwards by last character. Finally, 0 means move to the first character in your line. The caret symbol means move to the first non-blank character in your line. And the dollar sign means move to the last character in your line. That's it for today's episode of Pangolin Tech Tips. If you enjoyed today's episode, then like and subscribe. If you have any suggestions for future episodes, drop a comment below. Until then, see you next time.